Miles, how did you use media technologies in the planning, research, production and evaluation stages?
First of all, we used a digital camera to film our piece. We used both the SD and HD qualities on the camera, and we used zoom to get close-up shots and make our shots further away if we needed it. Then we uploaded it onto the computer with a USB cable. The computers we used were these Apple Macs, and we edited our piece on Final Cut Express. We used tools like the razor blade tool to cut the time of our piece, and we used colour modification to wash out the colour which we wanted. Then we used Photoshop to create our digipack and advert. We've used several features of Photoshop. We cropped it, we put in a 800 by 800 standard CD case. We used the text and we washed the colour out but kept some of the colour which you use in filters. On the internet we used several things. We used DA font to find out the font we wanted that we put on the digipack. We used Prezi to display our findings for our audience research. We used Google Images to find digipacks which we could analyse on our blog, and we used Blogger to make the blog, and we put all our final pieces on it. And we used YouTube for a lot of different things. We used it to get audience research from the statistics. We got analysed for similar music videos, and then we finally uploaded our final piece onto YouTube. The last thing I want to talk about is the iPhone 5, which we used to take the photos of our digipack. It has an HD 8 megapixel camera, and it was useful because we could upload our photos on location to Facebook, where we could then transfer it to Final Cut Express.